What is up, everybody? Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's go. What is up, everybody? Welcome back. It's your boy Lex Money. What a day it has been for crypto. We've got a lot to cover today. So before we do get into it, guys, currently there are only 38.4% of you that are subscribed. We're trying to get this to 40. Come on, 1.6%. Let's do it. And if you're already subscribed, go and smash that like button. Let's get it. All right, what is up, guys? Today I actually showed why crypto is so important, why it is necessary, why these centralized systems are doomed, guys, and they're just set up to fail. Now, Bitcoin's at 66.8k. Holy mother of God. ICP is back at double digits. Now, guys, before we do get into everything ICP, let's go and address the elephant in the room. Today, cybersecurity platform CrowdStrike went down and it caused global IT problems. Microsoft was crashing, 911 outages in USA, airlines having to have emergency landings mid-flight, banks, media outlets going crazy. Guys, I want to say F you to everything centralized. This is why we are in crypto, guys. Now, look at the list of everything here that was going down. I mean, the one that caught my eye the most was AWS because they are a massive company. And then also Microsoft. I know there are a lot of you guys who at work today, all systems went down. I mean, Microsoft Azure going down as well, Gmail going down. That is a big problem. Now, when I did see this, guys, I was super bullish and I knew that Bitcoin was going to pump today and I knew that crypto was going to pump. ICP might have the answers, guys. Now, there's been a lot of back and forth with the whole Utopia stuff. We're not going to get into any of the nitty gritty of why you guys, or some of you guys, are not happy with Utopia. Now, remember the problem that they were setting out to solve, guys. It was cyber security. Unstoppable, tamper-proof, open platform for independent autonomy. Okay? Secure, resilient, sovereign, serverless cloud platforms. That is what we need, and that would completely mitigate everything that happened today. I mean, if you look at Bitcoin, for example, you use Bitcoin as the actual prime industry leader in sovereignty, then you would know that Bitcoin's never been down, okay, because it is fully decentralized. These centralized systems, they're always going to have that risk of going down on you, and this is why it's so important to control your crypto as well. Don't keep it on a centralized exchange. I think Coinbase is built on AWS. So imagine AWS just went to absolute shit and Coinbase went to shit. Your crypto's gone, okay? Keep it either in the native wallet, on a ledger, on a self-custody wallet, whatever it is, cold storage. Keep it offline, keep it in the safety deposit box, the signal proof box, and control your keys. Get one of those metal things where you can pluck out the words and your seed phrase and do all that. Stick that in the box as well, and really be in control of your own crypto, guys, because this was just a look through the looking glass. What happens when they do C word number 2? I'm not going to get into conspiracies today, but what happens when they do C word number 2 and they turn the internet off on all you guys, right? And then everything happens in the background that we don't know about, and all of a sudden your crypto's gone from your exchange because everything went down. Donald Trump made an epic promise to crypto holders. Let's listen.
The right to self-custody to the nation's 50 million crypto holders. I say this with your vote. I will keep Elizabeth Warren and her goons away from your Bitcoin. And I will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency.
Now, that's what we like to hear, guys, because there's been a lot of things about CBDCs, China already doing it, right? People are saying, oh my God, what happens if CBDCs do get implemented in the future? How are we going to be able to spend our money if they can control our money, right? So he's saying, don't worry about that, not going to happen. Doesn't matter anyway, we still need to be investing into crypto. But in all the presidential campaigns, they're going to be pro-crypto now, knowing that it's going to get a large percentage of the voting because a lot of you guys are more switched on now. But that is amazing. That's even more bullish for crypto. And then on from that, Binance gets court approval to invest in United States customer funds in US Treasury bills. Interesting. Again, I don't want this to be like a conspiracy video because I feel like it's turning into that. But I wonder why they all of a sudden are saying, yeah, you know what? Tether, you can invest into our treasury bills. Maybe the US dollar is doomed and they need to get every bit of help from all angles, guys. That's just the way I see it. You can let me know your conspiracies in the comment section. But before we do get into all the ICP charts, all that good stufferoonies, look at this here, guys. Massive liquidation event at around 64k. It has pushed us up past 66k. If we do start to break above 67k, guys, we've got this little bit of liquidity here, could start to push us up all the way back to the all-time high. And let's just go to the chart quickly, because a lot of you guys will remember, who watch the videos every day, shout you out. We track many charts on this channel, another reason to be subscribed. But we did say the median was around 62.9k. we are looking to flip this into support. We break through it, come back down, flip it into support. We did have a bit of a fair value gap here to fill, but looks like I said, see you later, mate. Fuck off, Lex money. Cool. Guys, we are pushing up to the upper area of the channel. Now, that's cool. Got a lot of catalysts next week. We've got the Bitcoin conference next week. We've got the ETF going live next week. This could be, you know, over the weekend, it does start to push us up to the upper area of the channel. I'm not expecting it to break first time, guys. Okay? And even if it does break first time, we've got to come back and retest it. So before everybody starts, you know, doing that and getting a bit too excited, we have to remember it's not just going to be straight up and that's going to be as easy as that. It won't be that easy for us, guys. So we have to endure volatility. But for now, this is short-term, mid-term, very bullish price action. And again, when you look at the Wyckoff accumulation, or Wyckoff reaccumulation, should I say, look at this, guys. Look at this spring event, okay? Look at Bitcoin. It is perfectly mirroring the Wyckoff reaccumulation. And I said to you guys when we broke down below here, don't worry. We start to worry below 52 and 48k. We don't need to worry. They're trying to shake us out. What happened? They tried to shake us out. And everybody who subscribed in the Lex Money family, do you know what we said? We said, fuck you, motherfucker. You ain't shaking us out. So right now, we're going to have our little retest of around 62k-ish. Could happen. Does it have to happen? Don't know. We'll see. But then after that, we're going to be really starting to ramp up to that all-time high. And once we do break that all-time high, price discovery, we're going to be making some serious dough. Now we come back to ETH, guys, and look where we are right now. We've got this fair value gap to be filled. I actually am entering a trade with my Patreons. Shout out all of you guys in the members club. I did tell them today, so if you guys want to be in the know of what trades we are entering, then you can go and check out the members club. It's only 25 quids. It's not too much. But we're going to be trading this ETF announcement, guys. And are you guys ready for what is about to come? But aside from all the ETF stuff, what's going on with ICP today? ICPZ. Guys, we had our breakout of the falling wedge. And I said to you guys, we're going to have a breakout, a retest, and then go. And that retest looks absolutely perfect. As long as this is not a bear trap. I keep saying, or a bull trap. I keep saying bull trap because I feel like I'm mentally scarred by these, bull traps. A lot of you guys will know what I mean. But we've had a very good bounce from the retest. Now we're back in double digits, guys. So it looks like we could be aiming for that $13 at the 0.5 or $15 at the 1.618. And that is going to be a very, very quick move. Quicker than all of you guys will be able to long it by the time it has started to take off. Okay, so that is looking really, really good. I'm glad that we got our buys at, where were they? $7, $8 and $9. And are we going to try and retest to go back into that blessing zone one more time? I think we could be. Like we said, the breakout of this triangle or pennant, should we say, is going to be around just underneath the blessing zone. So we're going to find out how we do fare there. Like we say every single time, we're now at a 15x away from our $150 target. Someone told me $100 be real. Just let me know why you think that's unrealistic in the comments. And again, I'm going to have my targets. You guys can have your targets. You can all let me know your targets in the comments. It doesn't make a difference to my exit strategy. But ICP is looking very, very good, back at $10, guys. Usually over the weekend there's some shady business that happens with the price action, so we could be like super bullish, maybe have a sort of bit of a retrace into the beginning of next week. Who knows? All I can say is we're going to be tracking it every day, so make sure you subscribe. But that's it, guys. Let me know how you are feeling about ICP. I mean, are you a holder of ICP? Are you here for decentralization? You guys can let me know in the comments. And again, if you got this far, smash that like button, drop me a sub. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace, guys.